Hey, this is Troy again, and today what we're going to be doing is QR codes. We're going to generate QR codes with the free QR code generator. And this is not advanced stuff. This is stuff for people who don't know how to create a QR code. The process is actually really simple because the software really does everything for you. All you have to do is tell it what you want it to do, and it will definitely do it. A couple of other things if you're doing this for a website, then I suggest that you do it with a mobile website if you have one. If you don't, then it's not the end of the world. It just gives the person scanning the QR code, because most of them are going to be scanned with their phone. It just gives them a better user experience, so they don't have to pinch and scroll. So let's click through here, kind of demonstrate what I'm talking about. Sorry for the little stuff down here. I'll click out of that. Computer's like slow. This recording thing actually slows the system down because it's not a high-tech computer. Okay, so basically when you're doing your QR code, you can have this, which is what a website looks like on a mobile phone. It's hard. You would have to scroll around. You can't really get to what you want to get to, um, especially like directions. In this case, since a restaurant, the menu and all that stuff. But here over on the other side, it's optimized for a mobile phone, which is perfect when you're scanning QR codes. All right, so anyway, let's scroll back up here. And the other thing that I want to talk to you about, and then we'll generate the QR code. It won't be long, won't take long at all. This is actually a course, and what this course does is it takes you from point A to point Z and show you everything you need to know to start making money with QR codes if you are a business or you are an offline marketer and you want to be able to present this to other businesses. The good part about it is this contains 11 videos, and the videos will take you step by step, kind of like holding your hand, and you'll be able to go out and actually make money or use these in your business or for whatever you want to use them for. With that, you also get the mobile profits, which is another great course. It actually lets you know why it's important to use mobile, and you're looking at QR codes, so you're obviously on the right track anyway. And then you also get the mobile marketing madness. And the great part about that is it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. It's $9.95 with a full 30-day money back guarantee. So enough of that madness. Let's go up here and create a QR code. When you get to the site, the first thing you want to do is you want to click on generate free QR codes here. And from there, you're going to see this screen here. By default, it's already on a contact QR code, because with QR codes, you can put in different information as to what you want the QR code to do. There are a number of things that it can do. This one, however, is bare bones, and it's kind of limited to what it can do. Hopefully, it'll serve your purpose. So, for instance, the contact one, when a person puts their name, I'm sorry, you put your name, your company, phone number, email address, and website in here. When a person scans the QR code, what that will do is it'll populate their phone book on their mobile phone, and they're instantly able to put your contact information in their phone. So that's actually a pretty good feature. Some of the other features, you have text, you have SMS, and the SMS will actually send a text message if you design it to do that. You have URL, which is a popular one. This is the one I use most of the time. Email, people can email you from your QR code. And you also have phone number. So today, what we are going to do is we are going to do URL. And basically what you want to do is whatever URL you want to go, so let's go real. You put the address that you want to go in there, and then you click next. Here's where you can adjust the background colors. By default, the front of it is your foreground color is black and your background color is white. And what you have to remember is when you're doing a QR code, the foreground and the background colors, they need to be in high contrast. That way the scanner can read it properly. Okay, so just for this demonstration, we're just going to leave it just the way it is. Now your top text, whatever you want to put in there, hi. And then you have your bottom text. We'll just put something here. It doesn't really matter. Thank you for scanning. And then you have another text. Here's where you make the size. So generally I use a medium size because it works for just about everything I want to do. But you can go very small, small, large, and then very large. If you're going to be doing something that requires that the QR code is big and it can be scanned from a distance, then you're going to want to go very large. Okay, and the next thing you do after that is click Create QR Code. And there you are. As simple as that. You have the text that we wrote in there. Hi, thank you for scanning. And then the blah, blah, blah. And the last thing that you want to do is click download the image. And you can download it. And you can use it. And you can use this. There's no limit on how many times you use it or what you use it for. It's actually free. And when you get done with that, if you don't mind, just leave a comment at the bottom and you are good to go. What I'll be doing later is I'll be doing another one of these that'll be a little bit more advanced to be able to show you how to track QR codes and how to use them in different places and product placement and everything. So anyway, on that note, thank you for listening. Hope I didn't take up too much of your time, and I will talk to you soon.